Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll study about signs of trigonometric functions in different coordinates. Let us start with the coordinate system. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Let us label them x-axis, y-axis. This is called first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. This is a unit circle. When I say unit circle, that is a circle with radius 1. So, as we know, you must have studied in trigonometry chapter that if I take any point like this over here, a point x comma y. Now this point x comma y lies in the first quadrant and the circle is a unit circle. So this x is cos theta and y is sin theta. Sin theta and cos theta are the basic trigonometric functions. Once we study about sin theta and cos theta, we can get to know about tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. So whenever you study about any trigonometric functions, first you need to know is about sine and cos. So in first quadrant, okay, we have x comma y, x is cos theta, y sin theta, and both are positive. Okay, so let's draw a table kind of thing. One column for quadrants, okay, second column for sin theta and cos theta. There are four quadrants: first, second, third, and fourth. So in the first quadrant, x and y both are positive. So in first quadrant, sin theta is positive, cos theta is positive. Okay. When we move to the second quadrant over here, you see this is negative x-axis, positive x-axis. The point in the second coordinate will be minus x comma y. Minus x means minus cos theta. So in second quadrant, cos theta is negative. Y is positive. What is y? Y is sin theta. So sin theta is positive. In third quadrant, x is negative, y is also negative. So x is negative, that means cos is negative, okay, and sin is also negative. In fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. When we say x is positive, that means cos is positive, okay, and sin is negative. So from this system, what we can make out that in first quadrant, both sin and cos are positive. In second quadrant, sin is positive, cos is negative. In third quadrant, sin is negative, cos is also negative. In fourth quadrant, sin is negative, cos is positive. Now once we have got the signs for sin and cos, now we can decide for tan. What is tan theta? Sin upon cos, so simple algebra. Sin positive, cos positive, so tan is also positive. Sin positive, cos negative, so tan negative. Sin negative, cos negative, so tan positive. Sin negative, cos positive, that means tan negative. So what we can make out that tan is positive in first quadrant and third quadrant. Tan is negative in second quadrant and fourth quadrant. So now we get to know about signs of sine, cos, and tan theta. Now let's draw the coordinate system again and understand in simple way. So we'll go with sine first. Okay. So sine is positive in first quadrant and second quadrant. Okay. Cos is positive in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. Tan is positive in first quadrant and third quadrant. So what we can see that in first quadrant, sine, cos, tan are positive. So if sine is positive, cosec will be positive. If cos is positive, sec will be positive. If tan is positive, cot will be positive. So in the first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. Now coming to second quadrant. In second quadrant we can see only sine is positive. So I'll write sine. If sine is positive, that means cosec will also be positive. In third quadrant, only tan is positive. If tan is positive, that means cot will also be positive. Okay. In fourth quadrant, only cos is positive. If cos is positive, that means sec is also positive. So in first quadrant, all the trigonometric functions are positive. In second quadrant, sine is positive, so cosec will also be positive. In third quadrant, tan is positive, so cot will be positive. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive, so sec will be positive. Now how to remember this? So remember this phrase, all silver tea cups. Okay? All silver tea cups. Let us draw a bigger diagram. Okay? So draw the four quadrants. Okay. So write all silver tea cups. So in first quadrant, when I say all means all the trigonometric functions are positive. From silver I'll take the letter S. S for sine. Sine is positive in second quadrant. If sine is positive, then obviously cosec is also positive. From T I'll take the letter T. T is for tangent, that is tan. If tan is positive, cot is also positive. For the fourth quadrant I'll take the letter C. So C is for cos. If cos is positive, then sec will also be positive. So it is easy way to remember in which quadrant which functions are positive and which functions are negative. If you study about positive functions, it is easy for us to understand which functions are negative in which quadrant. So let's just revise. All silver tea cups. So in first quadrant, all the functions are positive. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. In third, tan and cot are positive. In fourth, cos and sec are positive. Now let us take it further. Now let us understand what is tan pi minus theta, what is sec 3 pi by 2 plus theta. So many times we get confused whether the sign will be positive or negative, whether tan will get converted to cot or not, whether tan will remain tan or it will get converted. Same over here, whether sec gets converted to cosec or not, whether sec will remain sec. So let us study in detail about such kind of conversions. Okay, so this is the second part now. So on the left side of my screen, I'll draw the coordinate system. Okay. First coordinate, second coordinate, quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Now this is 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and 0 I can also write 360. Now this was in terms of degrees. Now let us write in terms of radians. Pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 0 or 2 pi. Now there are two teams. Okay, one team is of pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Now this part is very important. Other team is of pi and 2 pi. Understand? One team of pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Other team of pi and 2 pi. Whenever you see pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, conversions will take place. Wherever you see pi and 2 pi, there will be no change. What do I mean by conversions will take place? If sine is with pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, sine will become cos. Cos will become sine. Tan will become cot. Cot will become tan. What's the condition? If they are associated with the angles pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. In case of pi and 2 pi, there is no change. Means sine will remain sine. Cos will remain cos. Tan will remain tan. There won't be any change. Okay. Let us see some examples. In the beginning, for easy understanding, it is better that you keep on drawing the coordinate system. So mark the first, second, third, and fourth coordinate. So let us start. Okay. So first, we will begin with pi by 2 minus theta. The first set of pi by 2 minus theta. So I'll write sine pi by 2 minus theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta, tan pi by 2 minus theta. We'll talk about sine, cos and tan because other three are related to these three. Okay. Now if you see here, we have got pi by 2, so conversions will take place. Sine will become cos, cos will become sine, tan will become cot. This is cos theta, sine theta, cot theta. So sine pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta is sine theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta is cot theta. Why they are all positive? Because when I say pi by 2 minus, okay, here we have pi by 2. When I say pi by 2 minus, that means they lie in the first quadrant. Okay, pi by 2 minus theta means first quadrant. Now let us begin the next set. Next set is pi by 2 plus theta. So when I say pi by 2 plus theta, that means the angle lies in second quadrant. Okay. So let's write sine pi by 2 plus theta, cos pi by 2 plus theta, tan pi by 2 plus theta. So now first of all, we'll do the sine part later. Now we have got pi by 2, so conversions will take place. Sine becomes cos theta, cos becomes sine theta, and this tan becomes cot theta. Now in second quadrant, what is positive? Sine and cosec. Okay, sine is positive. So sine pi by 2 plus theta will remain positive. Okay, others will be negative. So when I say cos pi by 2 plus theta, that will be minus sine theta and will be minus cot theta. So far we have just studied about pi by 2 minus theta and pi by 2 plus theta angles. If you want to study about more angles like pi plus theta, pi minus theta, 2 pi plus theta, 2 pi minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta, please watch my next video which will be uploaded soon. So before we end the video, let us revise that we have studied about signs of trigonometric functions in all the four quadrants. Remember the phrase all silver teacups. In first quadrant, all functions are positive. In second quadrant, sine is positive, so is cosec will be positive. In third quadrant, tan. In fourth quadrant, cos. If you like the video, please click on like button, comment, about good things or things to improve in the video, and please share it with your friends so that they can improve in this particular topic. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you very much.